desert, he spotted the rock again.
Look, see that rock? How did it get there?
Well, Star, it wasn't a rock at all. It was an armadillo.
Feed it to the boys.
A special desert animal that can curl up into a ball.
An armadillo?
And Star wanted to take a picture of him too.
Say cheese.
Good job.
Click.
Good job.
Did you like that story?
I sure did, Nina. And I
Here.
really like that we shared the story together.
Oh, me too, Star. And now
Feed it to the
another
boys.
friend is here to share who's coming to play.
Feed it to the boys.
Lucy.
Lucy,
Oh,
can
good
you tell us
job.
how to play? I can't wait to see who it is.
Hello, Nina.
Feed it to the boys. Feed it to the boys. Oh, you don't like that, huh? Too much chicken. Feed it to the boys. Feed it to the doggy. Hey. You don't like that? Oh, too spicy? Feed it to the puppies. Oh yeah, it's too spicy. Here. Give me that. Give me that.